Hi friends, so me and my daughter are going to Bath and Body Works. We want to see what they have for Christmas 2018. We're really excited. Okay, she spotted something right away. She wanted the Twisted Peppermint. It smells so good. And they have all the goodies that go with it. Scrubs, hand wash creams. Okay, let's go check out these candles. I see a lot of new labels on the candle that look really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna just take you along and just show you some candles. I'm gonna try to show you every single one of them, but it's hard. There's a lot of candles like these. These are new labels. So, and it was kind of busy. It was on a Saturday, so bear with me, guys. Okay, I want to show you these. These are you put the candles in there. Candle sleeves, I guess. I like that green with the white little dots. I thought that was cute. All right, and now they have matches, guys. These are 3 little houses, and in there's matches. Sorry, I go a little fast. All right, this wall is so beautiful. You just have to see it in person. I just love it. I had so much fun. So I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, that's a candle sleeve. It's very pretty. I'm going to show you all the new labels on the candles. So you're going to see it. It's so pretty. I just wanted to buy all of them just for the labels. So yeah. Alright, and now these are little candles. You know, if you don't want to buy the big candle, you want to try it out and smell them. These are pretty for gifts, stocking stuffers. Okay, I want to show you this little candle holder. There's a little Santa hat on. It's really cute. Alright guys, you're going to just die. I just think these are so beautiful. They're so sparkly in real life. I couldn't get over it. It was like eye candy for me. I had so much fun. I was really enjoying, I just loved the candles this year, the way they packaged them, you know, the labels. Wow. Look how pretty that one is with the little ornaments, so sparkly. Alright, and these are candle holders. Cute snowman. Look at that candle. All these different kind of colors in it. Iridescent. That's Merry Christmas. Okay, I am in love with these magnets that you put on top of the lids. That one looks like for New Year's Eve. Would be so perfect, that candle. Okay, I'm loving these little ones. They're not little, the medium size for my hot cocoa bar. Alright, some more candle holders. Put the candle to show you. That one's cute, very wintry. Look how sparkly these are. It's so pretty, so festive. Alright, and these are the wallflowers. That's pretty. That's a Christmas tree. They have a lot of them, guys. Very pretty ones. I'm going to try to show you all of them. That is a penguin with the skis. That's cute. That's a snowman, so sparkly. Look how cute the little doggy with the sweater. Santa with his sleigh. Okay, now more candles. These are they have wreaths now. I guess candle rings. So look how pretty that looks. Just put it on your table. Okay. Alright, now these are they're so sparkly too. They're for the hand soaps, the Christmas hand soaps. Look how pretty. That one's so sparkly. That one's so cute. It's a little house for the hand soap. Okay, and they have I like how they package this stuff ready so you can gift them. So that's perfect. I like that purple label. Just caught my eye. All right, and this, how big is this? That's a candle holder. So that's so cute. All right, so this is the wall of wallflowers. I'm gonna try to show you. There was so many people. It was a big sale, and they were like just pushing me. But okay, this one I love. All right, that one's cute. Look how pretty that one is. That's like more like the Nutcracker theme. Cute Christmas tree. That one's pretty. It's like just a wintry scene. Yeah, just bear with me because there were a lot of people just pushing. That is so pretty with the snowman and the house. They will light up. That's a Nutcracker. That goes with that other, I think, ballerina. Oh, that's a cute little snowman. That one is so pretty. That was a unicorn, another snowman. Alright, look how sparkly. I want to show you guys, show you how sparkly these candle lids are and candle stands. That's what I'm really showing you. The new labels and how sparkly and so pretty. Yeah, I was having fun, guys. Look how iridescent that candle label is. They did really like an excellent job on the labeling. So pretty. It looks pretty on screen, but in real life it was even more sparkly. So sparkly in there. If you want to like get good feels and Christmas feels, go in there, guys. You're gonna just love it. I just want to buy all of them just because of the labels. Okay, and this is a pretty display. Those are like bath sponges. It's really cute. I'm telling you, there's a lot of like good gift ideas. You can put a lot of things together and just put in their stockings. If someone you know that loves, you know, stuff like body stuff. All right, those are so cute. They're little bells and they go on top of the lid, which, you know, I'm really loving this year, and I think they're just so adorable. And again, those are the little ones. They're perfect for gifts. They have some like really big, I don't know if those are just decorating, but it's like a snow globe. So here are more of the ornaments for the lids. Look how pretty that one is. And they're magnet and they just stick on, which I think is such a beautiful, cute touch to the candles. Alright, that was another big ornament. It's like a snow globe. It wasn't on though. Alright, so I'm just showing you how they look on top of the lids. Alright, this frosted coconut smells so good, guys. Okay, I want to show you this, guys. I guess it's new. It's called the Stars. It's so pretty, the packaging. It does smell good, but they have all these things, creams, body sprays. Look how pretty the packaging to gift someone. They have bath bombs. Yeah, those are like creams, little like, you know, to put in your bag, the perfumes. I mean, this is so great, and it does smell very pretty because I smelled it. You see the bath bombs? They're shaped like, you know, in stars. So pretty, guys. Candles. I want to just give you another overlook of this. They even have brushes for makeup. It's a pretty gift too to give. Yeah, so they're all like, you know, in packages ready to be gifted. Okay, and then they have the fuzzy socks. They're right by the register. Perfect gifts for any little girl or anyone. And this is a bow. It's a head wrap, you know, when you wash your face. It's so pretty. And then these are bags that you can put gifts in, which I think that's really great. They're like plastic and good quality. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I have more videos to come. I hope you're enjoying these Christmas videos and putting you in the mood and giving you some gift ideas. Okay, bye.